everybody and welcome back to my channel. It is Ashley here again. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day. I'm doing really good myself. It's really dreary, rainy outside, so I decided to sit down and get some of these boxes knocked out for you guys today. If you guys are new, please don't forget to like and subscribe down below and hit that little bell notification so you get notified every time that I upload a video. So with that being said, let's just jump right into this unboxing. Today we have my Boxy Charm box. Boxy Charm is $21 a month, comes every single month. It's one of my favorite subscriptions. They did come out with a Boxy Luxe, I do believe. I did not subscribe to that, but I'm sure on their website, if you want more information, it'll be on there. So with that being said, let's get into this box. I do have my scissors somewhere. I found them. Let's see if I can slice into this tape. And I'm really sorry about my voice with the weather changing. Like one day it's like 50 degrees, the next day it's like 90. So my immune system is not liking it at all. Alright, so I got the box open. When you first open up the box, it just looks like this with a little card on top. It says Boxy Charm. Wildflower is this month's theme. And then it tells everything that is in the box, so we will save that for, or as we go along. So let's see, the first thing I'm going to pull out are some makeup brushes, and you guys know I love getting makeup brushes. These are the Alamar Cosmetics, made with 100% synthetic fibers. These brushes are extremely soft, durable, essential to your brush collection. There's a flat painter brush, a fluffy blender brush, and a flat tight line brush for your lash lines. So it comes in some wrapping here. We'll get these guys out and I will show you what they look like. Here are all three brushes. I love the green and then like the rosy goldish color at the top of them. So here is the fluffier brush. Here's the paint brush, I think it said, and then the tight line brush here. So that is really cool. I love getting brushes in subscription boxes because I don't buy brushes. They're way too expensive. These retail for $18. So $18 for these brushes. The next thing I'm pulling out is, this is Stroke of Wow by Butter London Roll-On Precision Liner. And this packaging is super cute. It has like this weird shaped top to it and this little bottle at the bottom. And this just says, create precise, ultra-fine winged inner liner looks with this innovative liquid liner. And this retails for $19. So it is an eyeliner. Ooh, it's very, that is a weird, does this come out? I'm very confused. Maybe I did it wrong. Maybe I'm supposed to pull it. No? Huh. This little bottom is like circular. And when you paint it, I don't think that's how it works. I don't want to break it. Now I have eyeliner all over me. Maybe it twists. I tried to twist it. Okay, so this applicator is super weird. I'm not sure how to use this, actually. I will have to figure this out because I have no idea. Like, this piece right here is plastic, and it's got like a circle at the top of it, so I don't know if that's how you're supposed to apply it or not. But I will read more into this and figure out how to use this guy. But the packaging is definitely different. So let me get this eyeliner, and it is a black eyeliner. I have it all over now. Okay, so the next thing I'm pulling out is this. This is by Laura Geller, New York. And here's the packaging. This is a baked blush and brightener. Add a gorgeous, sorry about my voice. Add a gorgeous glowing finish to your cheeks with this baked blush. Stunning swirls of liquid pigments are baked in Italy for 24 hours on terracotta tiles and hand finished into a silky dome of powder. So this retails for $28. Ooh, it's really cool. It's like that marbled effect. I really like that. And it is a blush. And you guys know I love blushes. It is very pretty. It is a light pink color. I don't know. Ooh, and it is shimmery. So a lot is going to go a long way. But there it is on the back of my hand, along with that eyeliner. But there's that. It is very pretty. It is just a subtle pink, and it has a little bit of a glow to it, so I would definitely be using this guy. The next thing I'm pulling out is by Hank and Henry, and this is a liquid lipstick. It says, have your cake and wear it too. This frosting scented longwear lipstick. Liquid lipstick glides on smoothly while vitamin E infused formula gives your lips its youthful look they deserve. And it says that it never dries your lips and it never transfers. And this retails for $17. So here is the little packaging. It's definitely a cute little package. And this is in the shade Pedal Pusher. It definitely smells like vanilla frosting. That smells so good. I'll swatch some on my hand. It is a very pretty color. I absolutely love the color, perfect for fall, which is coming soon. So there is the color swatched on the back of my hand. Very pretty. I'll see how it dries down, but I will definitely be using this guy. And the last thing that we have in our box is the Nightingale Pretty Vulgar Eyeshadow Palette. And here is the palette. Has a little bird up top there. And this is a smoky eyeshadow palette made up of 12 highly pigmented shades, and this retails for $35. Let me see if I can pull it up so we can maybe get some swatches maybe. It does not have a little safety shield. It does over the mirror part of it. Oh, I just went to like bend it back and it kind of broke the seal, but it's okay. These shades are super pretty. Here are the shades in the palette. They are really pretty, very subtle. Let's swatch some. This one, I'll just do them on my finger. This one is called Nocturnal. The next one is Pillow Fight. There's Pillow Fight on this finger. The next one is called Break Free, and it is a white glittery. Ooh, I love that one. It is white and it is glittery. The next one is called Dark Side. And here's Dark Side. The next one is called Hide and Seek. And it's just a very pale nude. Let me wipe those off and go to the next set. Okay. The next one is called Clutch, which is very pretty. I love the shimmer shades. So here's Clutch. The next one is called Flip Out. And it is a brown. Motorcycle zooming up and down my street again. Anyway, the next one is called I Spy. And it is another brown color. It's more shimmery. The next one is called Silver Spoon. And it is a very deep blue. And there's Silver Spoon. The next one is called Swoop. And it is another brown. Next one is After Midnight. And it is a darker brown. Here, right here on my finger. And then the last one is called All Nighter, and it is a very, very almost, I think it's like a black eyeshadow. It looks very, very dark. I'm pretty sure it's black. And that one was called All Nighter. So this palette is definitely very pretty now that my fingers have been all in it. But there's the palette again. It is super pretty. I love it. Love getting eyeshadow palettes. So yeah, that is all that we got in our Boxy Charm this month. If you guys got Boxy Charm, did you guys get the same things? This is variation, does it say on my little card? This is variation number 2. You can see right down there, it says 2 on it. So I got variation 2. If you guys get Boxy Charm, let me know what you guys got. I would love to know all of your I don't know what that was. Scared me though. But I would love to know all of your thoughts and opinions. I love interacting with you guys. So that is all that I have for this video. If you guys like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!